Cool Kicks YouTube channel, Nike outlet, Louisville. Let's go. Smaller Nike outlet. All right, let's go. Let's go to the back wall. I did check to see if they have a heat wall. Also checked behind the counters and nothing. 30% off the back wall. Doesn't look like they have any refurbished items. Starting with the 10 and a halves. And they put a 9.5 right here. Dude got the undefeated Air Force Ones. One of the 3 colorways. I see other ones here as well. Yeah, they got them for $150. That's what, 105 after the discount. They got LeBron 7, the FAMU colorway. 2 bills for those. LeBron 20s, $150. What's this Air Force One? Air Force One Premium. Right here, that nicer leather, you can definitely tell. Not digging the pink. Do have a rose in the back, $150 for those. Moving to the 10 and a halves. Dunks at 85. Got some Air Max 1s. Nike by somebody. Purple. Got some purple hints on it. Purple trimmings. Nike by Connor, $180. They get the full amount. At least you get the 30, I guess. Got some Moabs right here, 110. Flight 95, Jason Kids. Yeah, that's definitely not it. That's definitely not it. Those are the Vapor Elite prices. Yeah, these are 110. Moving down in size, $90 for the Infinity One Flyknits. Plethora of these Air Force One mids, $150. Pegasus 40 USAs, 120 for those. Got some OG Cortez with the nylon on the side, $90. Okay. Got some Jordan 1 Golf right here, $140. I've never seen that color. Okay. Just saw a worker put this down. Look at this. Damn, they want the full 170. Really? Nike by You Dunks right here. Nike by You Dunks with that nice leather. Dang, I was grabbing these for like 130 plus 30 off. I was getting these for like $100 at Watts. They want the full 70. The price keeps going up. Dang, dude. These are dope though. These are dope. These ain't bad at all. Size 8.5. Got these in the 9. Is this 8.5 right here? Yep, 8.5 as well. Air Max 90 Terra Escape, still 100, size 9. Dirty Denim, size 8, $110. GT Cut 2s, $120. That's a size 6 though. Nike by You, those dunks. I think these are definitely the most interesting things we've seen today. All right, moving up to the bigger sizes, size 11 and up. You got these in a size 11. I was trying to see if they have multiple colorways. Yeah, they do, because they got these as well, all going for $150, both size 11s. And we've been seeing these for hella cheap out in LA, the Metcon 8s. Yeah, these are 75 here, so pretty cheap. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures, we've been seeing a lot of these at Ross and Burlington. $90 here. At 30 off definitely helps. Moving to the 12s. Do got the Ambush right here. Also do got the undefeated ones as well. More Nike by Yous. These are Nike by You Air Max 1 Premium. These have gone down a little bit. $150 for those. Jordan 1 kind of. $105. Another one of these Jordan 1 News. Jordan 1 Low New. New Jordan 1 Lows, whatever. $110. Are these some Kyrie lows? What the hell happened to, hey, we're gonna get rid of these and we're gonna stop selling them? Like, I'm telling you, the news that comes out, it means nothing. It means nothing. And then they priced them back up too. Like, remember, these were all down to $25 because they're like, hey, we don't want to be associated with this fool. We want to get rid of them. And then all of a sudden they're like, wait. Let's price them at over $100. What the hell? I just saw someone wearing their Black Hat 4s. I was like, dang, dude, you're looking through this stuff with your Black Hat 4s on? Yeah, he's looking for something for his brother. Dude got retros right here, retro 2s. That's a size 13, size 14. Got these dunks right here. These ain't bad. These aren't even an SE or a premium, but the material on these Definitely way better than most other spots or most other dunk lows. Then size 14, got Metcons going for who knows how much. And got some cleats down here for big figure. Not much. Size 15 right here. They still trying to get 100? Really? Go to Burlington if you need some cleats. Are these the ones? Nah, these aren't the ones I got. Wait, are these? We did see these at Ross and Burlington. It shows $80 here. I think these retail for like $125. I did miss the heat wall. I walked over here too, and I don't know how I missed it. They just got a few Jordans, nothing crazy though. All right, so they don't have the 30% off here. They trying to be stingy with mids? Really? Got these size 12. Got these right here, and then the OGs. I got multiple pairs of some of these. And I do got a couple of these and those. But I haven't showed you guys what I'm wearing. Been wearing the same stuff all weekend. Yesterday and today, I'm gonna be honest, I wanted to make sure I could fit at least 1 or 2 pair of sneakers, so I only brought one outfit, dude. Just socks and underwear. On top of that, did put on Jordan 12s because these are comfortable as hell, so I can wear these all weekend. Well, Saturday, Sunday at least, and then got a hoodie, got some sweats, and then I also did bring a beanie as well as a jacket. I haven't needed the jacket all weekend. I guess in the 40s, I guess my hoodie's good enough. I didn't think it would be. But yeah, let's go look at the aisles. Dude, got some 36 lows. Got some 12. These are the golfs though. 12 low golf. Max Aura 2s. Got some LeBrons. Immortality 3s. I feel like these just came out, didn't they? I feel like these just came out already here. GT Jumps, first gen. Right here has quite a bit of tech on it. Witness 7s, second colorway of those. Cosmic Unity Team Banks, one of the OG colorways. A hint of purple on those, or maybe all purple. Katie Trey 59s, Immortality 2s. Always got plenty of these, and the prices keep falling. Zoom Freak 4s. I don't think I've ever seen this color. You do get an extra 30% off this bad boy because it is a 97. That's a hell of a price. 80 for these. Get that extra 30 off of these bad boys. Then black and white. Can't go wrong with black and white. These are Fly-E's, so they're easy to put on and off. Kind of like the Air Max 90 Fly-E's. Kind of same system. That part's going to get creased like hell though. KD Trey 510s. Plenty of these. Another one right here. React Wild Horse 8s right here. You do get that extra discount. Juniper Trail 2s. Another colorway right there. ZoomX Zagama Trails. I guess the Trail 3s. This one going for hella cheap. Holy cow, got plenty of sizes too. Next Nature's. I guess it's 38 Shields. 38s. Another one of them Pegasus. Air Max 90s. Taylor Escape version right here. Got some Dunk Highs. Air Max 290s. 97s. 2017s. Got another one of those. Last one of those bad boys. Air Max 1 Premium with that really nice leather. Or it feels really nice. What Rose Anvil showed us is just because it feels nice doesn't necessarily mean it's the greatest quality. We do got those mids as well. All right, let's go check out Apparel. Got 30% off of Apparel. Got a bunch of t-shirts and stuff. Nike Trail for 20. Do get an extra 30% off. Hella bright right there. Got more Nike running dry fits. 30, get that. Oh wait, 20. Get that 30 off. Got sweats as well as hoodies right here. 25, 30 off if you want flowers. Or if you don't mind flowers. Got the jumbo Nike sign right here. Does have the huge swoosh on the back? No, it doesn't. Oh, okay. These are double XL Thermafit, $45. It's like, is that a flight? Yeah, this is that nice, hella nice material. 55 for these. This is just a small though. Colorado. It does say Coach Prime on it. Ooh, that's nice. Everybody been hating on him. It's like, dude, they only won 2 games last year, dude. So even if they're not great, like, they're significantly better than last year. Already doubled their dubs from last year. I can't see the price tag on that one, or I don't see a price tag on it. Got some tech pack stuff right here going for $1.10. Way too much. We've seen these for way cheaper. Then more flowers. Clark University or Clark Atlanta University, $40. Oh, that's a hella nice right there. Material's nice. And you get 30% off. Those are medium. That's fire. And then got some shorts. Nothing too crazy. All right, let's see if they got anything else. I did peruse the women's clearance section. Nothing to really even show you guys, to be really honest. And then even in the women's aisles right here, got blazers. A couple of those. Infinity Run Flyknits right here, going for $90. That's way too much for the Next Natures. And then just a bunch of generic stuff. Air Max Theas, I guess. That's somewhat interesting. We don't see that too much, but just a bunch of generic stuff in the women's. Spot is pretty crowded. So one of the very few Nike outlets out in Kentucky. I think we're done. You guys. All right, let's wrap it up. Oh, what is it? Oh, I was like, is this off 40% off? No, it's only off the t-shirt right here, which is the Luka 2s t-shirts, or Luka 1s. So OG Luka t-shirts, $35. All right, we're done, you guys. All right, this is an outlet mall. They do have an Under Armour. They have an Adidas. I think they have an Asics somewhere too, but I got another spot I'd rather hit up. Let's go. They're definitely ready for Christmas here, like most other malls. I guess I should get you the name of the outlet. The Outlet Shops of the Bluegrass. I guess that's the name of this outlet mall. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it, guys. I just realized this is the 9th. I just realized this is the 11th different state we have visited for this channel. That's not bad. You guys visited out, I think, 45 different outlets now. Yeah, I'm trying to put in the work, trying to show you guys what's going on in different states, trying to get you guys variety. Hope you guys enjoy the material. Yeah, make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new, press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos coming. I think I'm gonna hit one more store. There's a mall. They got a ton of sneaker shops, so I'm definitely gonna have to hit that up. I think it's pretty close to the airport too, so I think I got time to hit that one up. Then we're gonna be back in LA, gonna be hitting up a bunch of shops in LA. So yeah, help a boy out, press that like button. If you're new, subscribe, click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos coming. You know, if you want to support your boy, make sure you guys check that membership program out, help a boy out. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Neighborhood's definitely different out here. You don't see brick houses in California at all. Like that house is pretty cool, made out of rocks and stuff, like bricks but rocks. I don't know. All right, heading to our last stop. Literally just open the door, not even letting customers in yet.